Welcome to the Grand Strand. We're in Murrells Inlet in South Carolina.
Well, this house behind us here at 5355 Berkeley Court here in Murrells Inlet is what we like to call beach country.
And you're probably going, what? Beach country? Well, the reason why we call it beach country is because of several different kind of lifestyles you can have here. Within a couple minutes, you've got access to get to the Waccamaw River, the Intracoastal waterway at the Waccamaw boat ramp there. And that'll get you to rivers, other rivers like the Great Petey, Little Petey River, even get you all the way down into Georgetown as well. But if you want to put your boat or your jet skis in at the Salt, we've got another ramp literally right over here that'll get you between Murrells Inlet and Garden City.
And we've done that several times with the jet skis. So much fun. But we do have the actual ocean just to take the time to enjoy the beach and the waves.
Right at Huntington Beach Park right here.
Which is right outside of where this home is here in Murrells Inlet. Now, we like to say the country part because you feel the country porch, but wait till you see that backdrop. You're gonna feel like you have the best of the both worlds. You have the beach and you have the country. So
many different ways to enjoy your life here in Murrells Inlet, but let's head on inside.
All right, now that we've gotten you inside, we want to tell you how we felt the moment that we walked in the door. The first thing we felt was, wow, what a room size. This great room is huge, mainly because it has this large cathedral ceiling, creating a lot more space and volume, great light, and it's an open plan that carries over to the breakfast and into the kitchen.
And you'll notice right here behind us that wraps around this entire room too is these wraparound windows that help bring the outside in and includes a lot of natural light to help accent these pine floors. Now these pine floors were made for this cellar at a mill out of Charleston, and they do run throughout the whole home.
They are beautiful.
And then also right here, you do have a stacked stone fireplace that's included here in the great room, just another treat for you. But right here, we've got two hallways, right?
That's right. One is going to take us to the two bedrooms on the front part of the house, and on the back side, this hallway is going to take us to the master that we'll get to later.
So as we continue, on the other side of the great room in this large space is going to be our breakfast here as well, which is right beside the kitchen. Of course, the kitchen, you've got a nice bar top here and plenty of space for your bar stools.
And on the end of this bar top is a nice little shelving here for all your cookbooks. Great anchor for the entire space between the great room and the kitchen. Cute little pendant lighting, but the owner has done custom cabinetry throughout the entire kitchen, which I think you're gonna like. And then of course we have the stainless steel appliances.
But follow me on outside right quick. I got a nice screened-in porch, and plus I'm gonna show you that backyard too. So I wanted to bring special attention to the screened-in porch here because like the inside of the home, it too has a cathedral ceiling, but has the beadboard accent out here. And we're not joking when we talk about beach country, because yes, you could be out in the Intracoastal waterway, or playing out in the Salt, or being at the beach, but when you come home here, check out this backdrop. This is the country part where it feels like you are out here in the country because your backyard extends out into the woods a little bit, and the current owner has told me that they've seen deer, wild turkey, all kinds of birds, but this really is like that sanctuary kind of feel here at Murrells Inlet.
Wow, that backdrop is what everyone wants, and this house actually has it. But we're gonna take you on to the master bedroom suite now. What you're gonna notice when you walk in, it's a very large, oversized master. It has a walk-in closet, and moving on into the master bathroom, it has granite tops, double sinks, and a really nice walk-in shower with the glass doors. Now, just over to my right, coming out of the master, is a large laundry room. Now, coming out of that master bedroom, we mentioned this house does have a split floor plan between the bedrooms. The additional two bedrooms are at the hallway at the front of the home. Beautiful pine floors travel all the way down to bedroom number 2. Beautiful in size with the double window, and then coming back out, we're gonna see bedroom number 3. It looks just like number 2, but we can't show it because of all the storage and preparation for the move. Now, moving on across the hallway from both those bedrooms is the hall bath.
So now I'm sure you can understand why we call this home beach country here in Murrells Inlet.
And what more can we say? From the Intracoastal waterway to the beach, coming home, and this little bit of country right here in the heart of Murrells Inlet.
That's right, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep getting that continued support here and showing the world of South Carolina and places in Murrells Inlet here at the Grand Strand. And we hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.